ADIRA is an innovative company. For the last 50 years, ADIRA has been working in the conception and manufacturing of sheet metal working machinery. Its range of products includes press brakes, shears, presses, and laser cutting machines. Let's go back a few years. Do you remember? How much time would be needed to do this part? How much would it cost? How many machines would be necessary? ADIRA brings you into the present. With progress come new necessities and the demand for new technologies. Nowadays, there is only one answer to these challenges: ADIRA CCL. With the laser cutting machines at ADIRA CCL, the manufacturing time and the operating costs are minimal. Furthermore, the cutting quality is excellent, and consequently these parts do not require a later finishing. The ADIRA CCL laser cutting machines have the most recent technologies that provide the most profitable solution in terms of laser cutting, offering the best current cost-benefit ratio in this market segment. When the CCL was created, ADIRA aimed to develop a high-dynamic product with low operational costs. By having access to and using the most advanced engineering and technology, ADIRA created the CCL, which offers excellent productivity at the best price. In order to guarantee the high dynamics of the CCL, ADIRA embraced the most advanced and robust constructive solution, a gantry-type frame with flying optics. The axes are driven through high-performance linear motors with no maintenance. This kind of construction gives them maximal rigidity and allows free access to the cutting table. Only a resonator with exceptional qualities could work side by side with the high dynamics of the ADIRA CCL. Therefore, the obvious choice is the Rofin-Sinar DC series slab resonator. This resonator has some unique features, such as, for instance, the excellent quality of the beam mode with a very low divergence. For this reason, the beam path of the CCL needs a very small number of mirrors, and does not need adaptable optics to compensate the focal point position. The superior quality of this laser beam is proven with a K factor higher than 0.9, which allows a higher concentration of energy. The result is an exceptional processing speed and a superb cutting quality. Besides the excellent aptitude for sheet metal cutting, this resonator has several advantages. In a slab laser, cavity cooling is done through the big electrodes, which are internally refrigerated with water. As a result, a continuous gas flow, typical of the conventional axial flow resonators, is not required. In conventional resonators, the gas is responsible for the generation of the laser beam, and also for the cooling of the resonator itself. In a slab-type resonator, the cavity is sealed, and it does not have mobile components exposed to wear. The gas consumption is also minimal. For this reason, and also thanks to its linear motors, the CCL is considered to be one of the laser cutting machines with the least maintenance. In order to have a more ecological performance, we have reduced to the minimum all the elements that demand lubrication. You have just been introduced to the Eco Plus concept. Eco Plus. Eco for more economy and more ecology. Plus for more productivity and better quality. Plus for higher profitability. The software, ADIRA SID Cut, allows quick and efficient programming of the parts. It has several drawing tools and advanced commands associated with the laser cutting technology. For example, it has the automatic lead-in function adaptable to each material and thickness. The head-up control function allows for shortening the time needed to cut the parts. The optional automatic nesting creates the program for an entire sheet in a few seconds with a better occupation of the sheet and in a completely automatic way. Tools to calculate costs and time are also included and help you estimate your costs and prices. The system runs on an SQL open database in which the user has access to all the information about parts, working orders, and sheet metal logistics. The optional module ADIRA WAS allows real-time communication between the programmer and the machine, which permits a better organization of all work. In order to continuously improve the productivity of our laser cutting machines, we have developed 3 optional automation solutions for metalworking. The Lift ADIRA-matic system loads the metal sheets that are going to be cut onto the shuttle table through an articulated arm with sucking cups. As a more sophisticated option, we have the Lift ADIRA-matic Plus, which also has an articulated arm with sucking cups for sheet loading, as well as a needle system for the removal of the cut material. For an even higher automation level, ADIRA has the automatic storage system Lift ADIRA-matic Tower. The interface platform ADIRA Wizard allows the worker to monitor and manage all the systems that compose the CCL. ADIRA CCL has several optional accessories. To name a few, the RTC system for tube cutting or the telemaintenance service. For further information, please contact your nearest ADIRA specialist.